Hi, all the viewers. Welcome to IS department. Myself, Dr. Sharat Kumar Vayach, Professor Head, Department of ISC, MIT, Mysore. About my department, Department of ISC is a technical software-oriented department started in 2007 with the intake of 60. Later part, it increased to 120 in the academic year of 13 and 14. We encourage students in sports, cultural and academics. We regularly conduct technical talks, seminars and workshops. For faculties, we encourage them to attend FDP and conferences. In department, we have very good placement. About 85% of students place in various IT companies in previous academic year, that is 1920. And about academic performance, we have very good performance, that is our 8th semester students have secured 100% results in 2 consecutive academic years. About admissions, we have very good admission, so that is in academic year of 18-19 we had about 100 students, and in 1920 we had about 119 students. Now this academic year, that is 2021, we have about 110 students. Our publication, that is our research. So students have publication about 40 papers, 40 plus papers actually, and faculties publish about 40 plus papers again. So about specialization in the department. So department has specialization in machine learning, computer networks and data science. So myself as a researcher and teacher from past 12 years. So we are working on machine learning, and with Dr. T. Vasudev, we are working with the text processing. With the Dr. Pushpadi, we are working on 2D and 3D models. So about department achievements, department has MOU with the various IT companies, and it has very good placements in all the academic years, about very good admission in all the academic years, and for encourage students in the technical and presentation skills, we have a student chapter in the department, that is ISTE, CSI and IEEE. And about publications, students have done wonderful publication, about 40 plus papers. About faculties, so faculty has done almost about 40 plus research publications. So vision of our IS department, that is to be recognized as a best center for technical education and research in the field of information science and engineering. To achieve this vision, we have mission, that is teaching learning process with the effective mentoring, to bring students with leadership, professional and ethical attributes through industry collaboration and alumni appreciations, to enhance research and entrepreneur attitude through various domains for real-time problem solving. So this is what dissemination done in HOD chamber with a vision of the institution, vision of the department, PEOs and PSOs. So this is our faculty strength, the pillar of the department's faculty strength, about 18 faculties including me. We have 2 professors and 1 associate and 15 assistant professors. This is what technical and support staff details and student strength have been displayed in HOD chamber. So this is our ISC staff room with a capacity of 5 staff, where dissemination of vision of the institution and department with the PEO and PSO. He is Professor Suhas G, specialized in machine learning, pursuing his PhD in VTU. He is Professor Amrut, he is pursuing his PhD in Jain University. Professor Chaitrashree R, Bhavyashree HD. Professor Saraswati D, Professor Chitra C, and Professor Smita Shri KP. And she is Professor Sumaya, Professor Sneha, Dr. Pushpa D, Professor Ramya. All the faculties are provided with computers with the internet facility. And introduction to faculties, this is Professor Sidraju, Professor Punit P, Professor Sharat H. Professor Somshekhar is pursuing his PhD in VTU, and Professor Ajay Kumar, BR. In department, we have Smart TV, where we display recent technologies and student achievements. So it's what displaying about recent technologies happening. Then we display vision of the institution and PO, PSO of the department with PSOs, there is nothing but a graduate attributes that is displayed in the corridor of HOD chamber. So this what displays notice board, displays video circular, department circular and college circular displays in notice board for student views.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Vasudev, professor at the Department of Information Science and Engineering. I am here working in this department since 2018, and I usually handle the subjects like programming in Python, object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms. These are the routine subjects I do handle in the department. So in total, the department works very cooperatively, and all the staff members in the department work towards the betterment of the students, and every year we are noticing quite increase in the results, and all of us are very happy with the environment here, and each one of us is very grateful to the institute. Thank you.
So this is what OSS Lab 3 with a capacity of 61 computers, and lab in charge is Professor Puneet P and technical in charge is R.K. Ramchandra. So this is what safety measures with the fire adjusting we taken. Then it comes with first aid box. If they require any emergency, we have a first aid box. Then we display do nots, general guidelines, and we have done a dissemination of vision of the institution, vision of the institution, vision of the department, PO and PSO. And this what technical what is the in charge, lab in charge, that is Professor Puneet.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Puneet P and I am the lab in charge of this OSS Lab 3 of IS department. As sir mentioned, we do have a notice board in the laboratory where do we display the laboratory syllabus as well as the student list and all the relevant information regarding the laboratory, such as number of systems and its configuration. We do have a lab layout also being displayed here. With this, we have different charts of different subjects is also being displayed in order to have an insight of it for the students. And right now in the art semester, this lab was utilized to conduct web application lab as well as machine learning lab for 7th semester. In this semester, we do utilize this lab for conducting mobile application development lab as well as file structure laboratory. And in the case of the conduction of lab, we do apply the continuous evaluation form, where we use this continuous evaluation to be done in each and every experiment what we conduct in the laboratories. And all the lab computers have been equipped with corresponding application software required for the corresponding programs to be executed. And I will show a small demonstration of the way the things have been explained in the lab. So as I mentioned just now, we will be using this ICT tools in order to demonstrate the programs. We do explain the program line by line and the way the things have been executed first. Then we will allow the students to execute by themselves. While explaining the programmatically things, we do convey the concepts of theoretical aspects also by using the chalk and talk. If required, in case of animation videos also, we will be projecting it in the laboratory itself. So once the lab of 3-hour session has been done, we do maintain a logbook where students will be signing up their login time and logon time as a case of utilization. So and this has been maintained for all the 2 labs which is conducted in this laboratory.
So next is project lab to help students with a mini project, main project and faculties for research work. We have a project lab with 15 computers of capacity.
I am Chitra I'm a final year project coordinator. Using this project laboratory, few of our students have developed in-house projects. So one such as online leave portal. Under the guidance of Sharath H. sir, our students have developed the online leave portal application.
Okay, this is what the online leave application portal. Here faculty can log in by using their ID as well as a password. So as when they log in, so here they can they will get what option in order to apply leave. So faculty can apply a full day off day leave. So if it is a full day, if it is a off day, as to mention afternoon or forenoon. Likewise, here we have given 3 options. So in order to 3 options to apply: CL, SCL, OOD and LWP. So with the date, and next is what number of days and a reason for leave. So as when they are applied, so that will be displayed here in the next tab. So applied leave will be forwarded to HOD. So if the HOD approval, if HOD approved that, so then it will again forward to a principal for the final approval.
Hi, I'm Ajay Kumar BR, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC. I'm the ERP admin of the software for both college as well as for department.
Add on to this, our pre-final year and final year students have built various mini projects, and also the main projects have been built within this project laboratory. So to name a few in that, one is the mentoring allocation, IA allocation, as well as a digital library systems. And for this laboratory, our technical in charges Ramchandra sir, and also we have been maintained with the logbook. So this is our logbook, which has been maintained for both faculties and the students.
In addition to a regular lab, we have created an additional facility, that is IoT lab, which is sponsored by JobCart India. It's helpful for students for their internship and project work, which is the topic will be based on IoT. So Dr. Pushpa D is in charge of that particular lab.
Hello, myself Dr. Pushpa, who is the in charge of a Internet of Things laboratory. In 2015 scheme, we got introduced the IoT. So keeping in mind the industry requirement, we have established a small IoT laboratory which is sponsored by JobCart India. And along with this components which has facilitated from the JobCart India, we have also purchased the course which is being provided by the Bolt IoT, and we have got MOU along with the Silvertouch, collaborated with the Bolt IoT, where we have purchased the course for the internship program and as well as the vocational program for the students who are interested. This project is for obstacle avoiding robots. When it finds the obstacle, it tries to move in another direction.
So we have very good infrastructure in Department of ISC. We have about 6 classrooms. The classrooms are well defined with the projectors, right, a screen where faculties can utilize this projector for PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, so you can install all those application programs over the operating systems. So this diagram will help you to understand the definition of operating systems, how the operating system is going to interact between the users and the hardware.
So this is what OSS Lab 1 with a capacity of 32 computers, and lab in charge is Professor Sharath H. and technical in charge is Anurag.
So in this laboratory, we are using what Mint OS and again Windows 10 OS. So in odd semester, we are handling CN laboratory in this OSS lab, as well as in even semester we are doing design and analysis of algorithm laboratory over here. So for that we are installed NetBeans for design and analysis of algorithm laboratory and NS2 for computer networks laboratory.
Hi, I'm Ajay Kumar. I'm the faculty in charge of this lab. In this lab, we have 32 systems, and we use this lab to execute data structure laboratory, DBMS laboratory, as well as what software testing laboratory. In this lab, we have notice board where we have displayed all the student details as well as what timetable, lab layout. Okay. Even do's and don'ts of the for students as well as general guidance has been displayed, and we have some laboratory charts, and even that also has been displayed here.
Next is ECD lab, especially for 3rd semester and 4th semester student. with a capacity of 32 computers, and lab in charge is Dr. Pushpa D.
Myself, Siddhraj, and I'll be handling the microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. And in this laboratory, actually, we are using two development tools. One is Microvision Keel software, or a development tool which is used to assemble and compile the assembly code language, and another tool will be the FlashMagic tool, which will be used to transfer the hex file from Microvision tool to the interface that we are going to use for ARM controller as a part of our syllabus, and the processor will be the LPC2148 ARM controller. As a part of our syllabus, I am just running a DC motor, as you can see here. So this is what exactly we do in this laboratory. We are going to have a different kind of embedded system application which will going to be interfaced with this tool.
Myself, Professor Chaitra Shriyar, in charge of Department Library. In addition to the college library facility, in our department we provide the facility of a library for the usage of faculties and students. This is the showcase of our department library.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of IS department. It has very good teaching learning process with a good infrastructure, like about 6 classrooms, 5 labs with addition IoT lab. So hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much.